out to go out for our evening bicycling, but then it started raining, and it's raining so well. It has become really nice and cold. I'm enjoying the rain sitting on the bike outside. Actually speaking, it's so refreshing. Then suddenly I felt like to have some sweet dish. So let's go and make a dessert. It's a very easy dessert, a very low calorie dessert, which I think everybody would like to have it. So let's go to my kitchen and make the whole wheat halwa, or in Hindi we say it aate ka seera. So let's go and make that. Friends, as I was telling you that this particular dessert, its name is whole wheat halwa. So I have kept the ingredients that we require to make this aate ka seera or aate ka halwa, or you can say whole wheat halwa. So let's quickly make the dessert. Have a look on the ingredients that we're gonna use to make this. 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, 5 cardamoms and 3 cloves over here, cashew nuts, a small bowl of raisins. We will be requiring 2 cups of oil. Let's start preparing the whole wheat halwa or aate ka seera. Take a wok, preferably a heavy base wok, and then we will be first putting the oil. We have to take 2 cups of oil. There you go with 2 cups of oil. Find that the color of the whole wheat atta is changing. Remove the bubble and I can show you. There are little bubbles forming, that white ones, and the color of this, it is like almost off-white now, but then we need to keep on frying. It will turn into nutty brown color. Friends, now have a look on this. All the white small bubbles that was covering the whole thing, now that has almost gone. Just see it, I am not stirring it. All the white bubbles that were there at the initial part, that has reduced to a large extent, okay? And now we can see is a little bigger bubbles, plus you can see the color of the whole wheat. You might be thinking, what about the sweetness part of the dessert? So here I have taken 1 big vessel. In this I have added 6 cups of water. We're going to place it on the stove, and we need to bring this water to the boil. Now gradually our whole wheat atta is becoming thicker. I can show you. See, can you see this, how it is becoming thick? So we need to keep on stirring it frequently. In this I am putting 1.5 cups of sugar. So 2 cups of oil, 2 cups of whole wheat atta, 1.5 cups of sugar. Kindly measure everything with the same cup with which you have done it, okay? So your proportion doesn't get bad. And now we need to dissolve this. We have taken 6 cups of water. Remember, dear friends, in that I have added 1.5 cup of sugar. It's nicely dissolved, okay? And now we're gonna add that dissolved sugar into our halwa. While I was making this, Satish was telling me, honey, the oil is still on the top of the whole wheat atta. Where this will go, when it will get dissolved, how it's gonna be. I said, you wait, buddy. I said, you wait. We're gonna add the dissolved sugar in the 6 cups of water we did it, right? And now see the consistency. Now the sugar which was dissolved in the water is making it actually sticky. Okay, and now you see the consistency of the halwa. See. Now we need to keep stirring it. That's why it is called as aate ka seera. And we're gonna cook it for another 10 minutes on a low flame. After cooking for 10 minutes on a low flame, now you can see the color of our aate ka halwa. Have a look. My dear friends, the oil that you can see here and there on the halwa, you might be thinking it's too dangerous to eat this. Don't worry, you have an option for that. You leave the halwa out on a room temperature for next 2 to 3 hours, and then you know what? All this oil will come up, and with a small spoon you can collect it. It will not spoil the taste of the halwa, that is guaranteed. So don't be worried. If you do not want to take that excess oil that is floating on top of your halwa, after 2-3 hours you can just remove it, okay? But it will not spoil the taste, so don't be worried about that. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of rose water. And then goes our cashew nuts. You can also add almonds or pistachio or any other dates if you like, no worries. And then I'm adding a few raisins. It's still hot, and let it get cooled down. When it gets cooled down, it will become more, consistency will become more thicker. And remember, the name of this dish is aate ka halwa or aate ka seera. So seera means a sugary syrup. So it will not be a very thick consistency of the halwa. It will be a little bit towards the liquid side, and you can refrigerate it, my dear friends. You can store it in the refrigerator, and before eating, please heat it up, and then you can enjoy your hot, tasty whole wheat atta halwa. So before I go, my dear friends, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel. I hope this video will encourage you and push you to make this wonderful dessert, which is so simple and also economic. So do try it out and write to me.